SOS Limited was a top trending stock today on Yahoo Finance. When we take a look at what they do, they're a high-tech company with AI blockchain as the core technology. With the focus on big data accumulation, cloud computing, SOS is dominated by three products: basic cloud, cooperative cloud, and information cloud. It provides information security services and marketing related data, technology, and solutions for emergency rescue services. Just taking a look at some of its main businesses, I want to point out they also do crypto mining. So we pull up an article from March 15th. They've installed 5,000 cryptocurrency miners. They're estimating to generate about 41 Bitcoins and 909 Ethereum in the first quarter of 2021. I pull up a recent live news on this thing. It's seeing some buzz from Reddit. So when we take a look at this thing, we can see yesterday in after hours, it saw a pretty nasty short squeeze of over 30%, reaching close to $6.50. I saw a video saying on Fintel that its short volume was around 16%. Pulling it up today, I see that's around 8%. So the squeeze could potentially be over. However, it's very interesting that this company is involved in blockchain as well as mining cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and Ethereum could give it some long-term value. When we just take a look at its market cap, sitting at over $1 billion, it has an implied volatility of 200%. So this thing is pretty darn volatile. When we throw it on a year to date, we just take a look, it's up close to 300% on the year. So the first thing I noticed on this stock today, it's a lot of volume coming into today's tape. Just significant spike. You can't see the last time it was around early March that we got volume up in this area. So when we zoom in on this thing, we can see the first 10 minutes of trade today saw some pretty heavy dump. However, quickly recovered from that. Just looking at it since about middle of February, it's been on a downtrend. So what's the options market pricing in this week? Well, we throw it on the expected move. Coming into this week, the options priced in 69 cents. That upper edge is around 551. You can see at 573, we're slightly above the one standard deviation move on the week. So let's zoom in and let's draw a couple of lines in here. So I want to point out, there is that one sigma on the week at 551. You can see we fell this morning, quickly got above that level, and it played some strong support. I also drew a fib retracement from the low of yesterday to the high of this morning. And you can see the 38% Fibonacci and the 61% are the biggest pivotal levels. So this 550 to 560 range should play very strong support. We want to hold this level in the short term. Ultimately, if we turn down, you can see the 61% at around 509 and call it about $5 there. As you can see, that's a 78% fib. However, on the bigger picture, that is that 78%. So we want to hold $5 in the mid-range. Short term right now, we want to hold around 550, 560. That's the upper edge on the week. So if we can close this week up above 550, we're in great shape going forward. That 2 sigma you can see at 620, however, gave it some stress. So getting up to 620 would be very nice. However, it's just not in our favor statistically. Just zooming out, looking at the bigger picture here, getting above 728 here is key. That's the 61% fib from the lows down in $96 to the high, close to $16. This is a very pivotal level. You can see it spent some time in this area, going up and down, getting back above the 728. We can trend to new highs, getting to 1056, and ultimately breaking out here. If we see cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum take off, we could potentially see some boost from those two cryptos. So we'll have to see what it does in the coming weeks. But short term, we want to hold this week around 550. Ultimately, if we get some selling, look for 509 to play some solid support. There you have it for the trending ticker today, and that was SOS Limited. Where do you guys see SOS going in the near future? I drew some Fibonacci's as well as what the options market is pricing in just for this week. However, going forward, it has some hope as it's involved with cryptocurrency. If you watch this far, I really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, I really enjoy doing macro breakdowns, stock market breakdowns. I do those every single day. Show some love and hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace!